any. I'll tell you why I don't have one right now. But I used to when I was in Africa. Um, at the time, I worked at Queen Elizabeth II Hospital, the pharmacy department, and I would rush home. So I would get there before Days of Our Lives started. Do you know who my favorite actress was? It was Trish Clayton. Something about her was so mesmerizing. I wondered how she could be so beautiful. Her makeup was so smooth and her hair was just immaculate. And around her, there was all kinds of relationships.